What's up, everybody? Getting ready to do the random on a 3-box division break of Tier 1 baseball. So here we go. So here are the names, everybody involved. You got Chuck, Amanda, Jake, AJ, Randall, and Seth. So we're going to roll the die to see how many times we'll randomize. That's the names again. There's divisions. We're going to be rolling the die 2 times to see how many times we'll roll it. Here we go. Rolling 2 dice. See how many times we'll randomize. 6 times. So we're going to randomize the names first, and then we'll do divisions. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. 4, 5, and 6. So you got Jake on top and AJ on bottom. Alright, now let's do divisions 6 times. 1, 2, 3.
Is there a way you can tag them? Or no? You gotta do that.
4, 5. Yeah, I'll do it. And 6. So you got NL Central on the bottom, NL West on top. Alright, so
I'm actually gonna go sit down and watch it later.
alright, so let's show what everybody got here. We got whoa, calm down. We got Jake with the NL Central, Seth with the AL Central, Chuck with the NL East, Randall with the AL West, Amanda with the AL East, AJ with the NL West. Alright, be coming right back with the break.